Hello, I'm Bruce Granger with NaturaLawn of America, and today we were going to discuss the fact that I get calls all the time from people, you know, I have mowers, do you think they're bringing in weed seeds? Yes, the mowers are bringing it in, the wind's bringing it in. Harvey brought in plants that we haven't had in the Houston area for a long time because of all the moisture or the rain that came out of the west. But beyond all of that, if you look at what your house originally was with just pasture, these plants are here. There's thousands of species of grass that grow in Texas. Not all of them grow here, but there's a number of grasses that grow here. There's Johnson grass, Bahia grass, goose grass, foxtail grass. And you can see right here, there's probably 8 different species of grass, and they're all seeding. So they're going to continue to be here, and it's part of nature. So what you're trying to do with your lawn is grow one type of grass and competing with all these other natural grasses that have been here and always have been here. So within the program that we do with NaturaLawn, it is a process. We're trying to stop seeds. We're trying to get your turf healthier. We're trying to convert a multi-type plant environment to a monolithic growth of either St. Augustine or Bermuda, and it is a process. So proper mowing, proper watering, and a good fertilization program is the only way to achieve that. And it is a long-term process in trying to get a nice turf, and we can help with that.